It's grammar time. Nouns and pronouns acting as subjects and predicate nominatives. Nouns and pronouns can behave in different ways in their sentences. For example, they can act as subjects, predicate nominatives, objects of the preposition, direct objects, indirect objects, and appositives. In this video, we're going to talk only about nouns and pronouns acting as subjects and predicate nominatives. When we're trying to figure out the subject of a sentence, we must first find the verb. For example, in these two sentences, we have, "The girl never ate her Fruit Loops," or "She never ate her Fruit Loops." In this sentence, the verb is ate, and it's an action verb because eating is something that can be done. So then, to find the subject, we ask, who or what did the verb? In this case, who or what ate? The answer to that question is the subject. Who ate? In the first sentence, the girl ate. So girl is the subject of the first sentence. In the second sentence, who ate? She ate. So she is the subject of the second sentence. We also sometimes have nouns and pronouns as compound subjects. For example, in the sentence, Jilly and Gilly always slurp their fruit by the foot. The verb is slurp. It is an action verb. So, who slurps? Jilly and Gilly slurp. In this sentence, Jilly and Gilly are both nouns acting as the subjects of these sentences. Interestingly enough, this is real fruit, and they're trying to slurp it by the foot. Seems impossible. In the second sentence, she and he always gulp their smoothies. The verb is gulp. It's an action verb. And we ask who gulps? She and he gulp. So they are the subjects of this sentence. When we're looking to find predicate nominatives, we do the exact same steps as we did previously. First, we locate the verb in the sentence. In order for there to be a predicate nominative, we need a verb that is a linking verb, often a form of the verb to be. He is, I am, they are, we were. In this sentence, we have, Jimothy is a runner. In this sentence, the linking verb is. Since it's a linking verb, we know we're looking for the possibility, at least, of a predicate nominative. After we find the linking verb, we find the subject by asking the same question that we asked before. Who or what did the verb? In this case, who or what is? The answer to that question is Jimothy. Therefore, Jimothy is the subject. So finally, to locate the predicate nominative, we replace the linking verb with the word equals, and we say the subject equals who or what. The answer to that question is going to be your predicate nominative, your PN. So Jimothy equals who or what? Jimothy equals a runner. So runner is the predicate nominative. Since nouns and pronouns act the same way, you need to follow the same steps to find the predicate nominative when you're working with pronouns. For example, in this sentence, the runner is he, the verb is the linking verb is. Who or what is? Well, the runner is, so the runner is the subject. The runner equals who or what? The runner equals he, so he is our predicate nominative. If you follow these steps, you'll always be able to locate the subject and the predicate nominatives in sentences. Remember, nouns and pronouns act the same way. Keep that in mind as you're doing this work. Good luck!